if you sit down for one day and write every thought in your head, you'll see how much time you wasted on useless, distracting bullshit. That's the problem. Too much noise. So much influence. Everybody's talking. Only person you should listen to is yourself. So, what do? You control your mind, and the easiest way to build a simple, repeatable routine because routine removes chaos. There's no random decisions, just execution. Now, be intentional. Ask yourself